Hi everyone, welcome back to Candy Coffee. Here we have a Delonghi Magnifica S Cappuccino. And this machine was brought in because it wasn't working at all. That's what the customer wrote. And what we had discovered is that it had the general alarm error. And that was because of a couple things. And one was the heating element. And the second was the thermal sensor on the heating element to let the machine know how hot it's becoming. And there's a triac as well, which is a heat sensitive little device that allows electricity to make it to the heating element or not, depending on the temperature. And we replaced all of these things, and now the machine is functioning once again. So we'll test it. We've got water here in the milk frothing container, but just because we don't want to gunk up the system with milk for testing reasons, but it will still function the same way. So let's see, we'll hit the cappuccino and then we'll be able to test the shot and the frothing ability. There we go. Plenty of water. All right. Alright, there you have it, Delonghi Magnifica S functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Candy Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Alright, thank you.